video. I'm putting together a little surprise for my mom's birthday. I'm so excited. This is gonna be a vlog. I just wanna, give a little intro to how the video is gonna look like. So usually I love taking her to Disney World for her birthday. I think that is like literally our tradition, but this year it couldn't happen. So really, I wanted to do something more thoughtful for her this year. So I've been seeing so many birthday gift ideas lately this year, especially on TikTok. And I've been seeing people make these things very cute and personal, and they're basically gift birthday baskets. And once I saw a few videos, it was over for me. I was like, yep, I'm gonna do it this year. I got inspired real quick, and I'm going to do that for my mom. So I've been obsessed with giving my mom something very intentional this year because I think it's just more from the heart. I'm type A about planning, guys. I literally have a Canva mood board of everything I want to add in the gift basket. So I wanted it to feel more like her. So I've picked some things that I know she would love. So I just finished getting ready. So I'm about to go on some errands. I did go on some errands before. So today I'm going to Walgreens. I'm going to Walmart to pick up some of the last, little things that I ordered. And yeah, I'm gonna be wrapping some gifts, and then I'm gonna be making her the gift basket. So yeah, let's go. I'm on my way to Walgreens, and then I'm gonna go to Walmart after. So come with me, basically. Okay, so I'm here at Walgreens. Let's head inside. Okay guys, so I'm at Walmart. I'm gonna pick up my groceries and some other stuff. Okay, so I came back home. So these are all the gifts that I got for my mom's birthday. So let's go ahead and create this gift basket. Basically the first part of her gift. But these are all the things that I'm adding to the gift basket. Like I have paper wrap. I got these paper shredded from paper shreds, I think that's what it's called, from Walmart. And then I already had this pink wrapping paper, so I also added that in there. And then I got this like styrofoam block so that I can be able to put the pictures, because I want the pictures to be standing up. So I kind of like that idea. I got the idea from TikTok. Okay, so this is basically everything I'm putting in the basket. We have kettle cooked jalapeno chips, popcorn, then we have Vaseline, body wash, a toner, this elf balm. I love that balm so much, you guys. Yeah, and then I also got her this sugar-free candy. She loves those candies down, guys. And then this is me also basically taking these bamboo sticks and then putting it behind the picture that I printed from Walgreens, yes. And then guys, these are like my favorite pictures of my mom. But this turned out so nice. Like, just look at it. And she loved it, you guys. And I also got extra gifts for her. Like, I got these like slides from Adidas. And then I think, what else? I think I got her like some clothes from Amazon. And yeah, I'm just basically wrapping up her gifts. I've gotten so much better at wrapping now, you guys. I used to suck at wrapping, but I don't know, this turned out so good. I also put her presents in this birthday bag, so it looks more presentable. But yeah, guys, she really loved and enjoyed waking up in the morning and seeing this nice display. We've made it to Cheesecake Factory, so we're about to go in, guys. We are so late. But anyways, let's get in. She's so happy. Okay guys, so we're at the Cheesecake Factory. So I got the frozen ice mango. Then I went ahead and ordered our meals. I got the southern fried chicken bowl, and then I got my mom the Cajun salmon. Okay, so the frozen ice mango, guys, this was so good. It was not too sweet. It was like the perfect sweetness. And I don't know if this is only me, but I prefer the brown bread over the white bread any day. And then our meals came out, and this was my mom's plate. And then this was my plate. And honestly, you guys, we enjoyed our food so much. So I tasted my mom's meal. That Cajun salmon is so good. And then my food is good too. I got fried, southern fried chicken. It's good. This is good. I'll see you guys after this meal. So this is where I end the vlog. Thank you guys for watching this birthday vlog and birthday surprise that I did for my mom. She absolutely, I wish I can put in all the clips of her. But yeah, I want to say I love you, Mom. I'm happy that I was able to do something special for you and treat you. I just love you, and like I said in the letter that I wrote to you, I will always be on your side and I will always fight for you, okay? I don't want to get emotional, but I don't know, or I don't see my existence on this planet Earth without you. Like I don't see it, and I hope that I never do. So love you, Mommy.